Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in Capcut. If you want to reverse your video and add cool effects or creative edits, then first of all, open up Capcut application and open up a new project. You can also select a project from your recent project list, and once you have a video clip in your timeline, go ahead and select your video from the timeline in order to highlight it. A white box will appear around the clip. Now once you've selected the clip, you'll need to go to the bottom of the screen and look for the reverse button. After you find reverse, tap on it and wait for a few seconds and your video will now be reversed. Now the process is complete. Play the video by tapping the play button at the top and your video will be reversed. You can still trim, add effects or music as usual onto the video, and that's how your clip is ready. That way you will be able to reverse a video on CapCut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.